So this is how I eat healthier without all the work. If you're like me trying to stay on a clean diet, and one of the worst parts for me is cutting vegetables, instead of having to chop all of these by hand, this has made a huge difference for me. This is so much faster and easier to use than chopping all of these individual peppers by hand. It's got several different blades, and I will usually use this one for the peppers. Very easy to insert. Put the blade in, the vegetable on, bam, sliced peppers. Not only can you use this as a slicer, it also has the mandolin on the top, and there are several different blades that can be used with that. This is a really handy and nifty multi-use tool. You don't have to have separate tools in your kitchen cabinet, so this will save a lot of space by only having to have one tool that can both chop and slice. Hope you found this review helpful. Happy shopping.